Okay, today I'm showing you how to replace a keyboard on a Toshiba Satellite C850. It's quite easy, it should take 5 minutes. Okay, first thing to do is to take out the battery. Undo the lock on the back of the laptop. Pull this switch across, take out the battery. Open the laptop up. Now, the tool I use is a spade. Quite thin, so it's useful for opening and replacing keyboards. And there are 7 pins down the bottom edge of the keyboard. You can't see them too well, but they are in there. So what you need to do is get the spade in there and push that way to unlock each pin, like so. So you'll start to see the keyboard come away. So, lift it up. Okay, keyboard's loose. You just got this white connector here, which you put your thumb under, lift it up. That allows the ribbon to pop out. And the keyboard's out. Now you see the little connectors there. There's 7 of them. Right along the edge of the keyboard, and that's how it locks in. There you get your new keyboard. Like so. Line up the ribbon. Push it in. Flip that down. It's locked into place. Make sure it's not going to get squashed underneath. Simply push it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out with the old, in with the new.